So, what tips should you use when making your next title? I'm guessing you've clicked on this video because you are interested in getting more views on your videos. So I'm going to give you 5 tips today and an extra bonus one if you stay to the end. Number 1. Understand what your viewer has clicked on your video for. If someone has clicked on your video, they're going to want to see what you have said in your title. If you don't do this, it is called clickbaiting. I'm sure most of you have probably heard of this before and also know what it means. But if you don't, it basically means you have said you are going to do something in your title and thumbnail, but really you are doing something different. For example, you may say you are going to play a game like Fortnite, and you may do this for a minute, but for the last 10 minutes of your video, you've been playing Minecraft. You want to avoid doing this as it could make your viewer duration to decrease, and then your video will stop being pumped into the YouTube algorithm, meaning less people will see your video. Number 2. Avoid saying things beginners may not know. This is also known as insider knowledge. This means if someone has completely new to something but is interested in learning and has clicked on your video and starts hearing words they haven't heard before, they aren't going to keep concentration, meaning they click off your video, meaning your viewer duration goes down again. For example, if you know what football is, or for the Americans, soccer, you may have heard someone say the words or through ball, and a beginner may not know this. And if you don't know what this means, it basically means pass the ball in front of someone so they can run onto the ball so they don't have to slow down. Number 3, write multiple titles down. You may try writing as many titles down as you can, and this will help you pick one of the best. Also, if possible, ask friends or family members to see which one they would pick, as it will show an outsider perspective and it will show what beginners want the most. Number 4, shorter is better. Well, not exactly. Shorter is definitely less risky, and doing a longer title is definitely riskier. You want to avoid writing titles though that go off the screen. Main words in your title should be at the front. As shown in the clip, you do not want to write vlog 96 and then travelling to Italy, as what they're seeing first is vlog 96. You want to swap this around and put travelling to Italy first and vlog 96 second, as it shows what the viewer will see first and if they are interested in your video. And finally, use YouTube. What I mean by this is you need to type up what title you are planning on using, and then from this you want to see what has come up, and from that you will look at what is getting the most views and you want to take parts of that. And a bonus one is to use this website called Headline Analyzer. You want to make an account and then write your title in the search bar, and then it will come up with things that are good in your title and maybe things that you want to change. So you may want to remove some of the old common words and do it for unique words that people will get interested by and will be curious by. Thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen, and goodbye.